Okay, so up to charts we have covered. So today we are working with this component up to here, and maybe next week I'll cover this the rest of the things. So today we are going to work on working with PDF and Word. So anyhow, this document I have already shared with you. I'll go with the notes document itself so that I can quickly cover and finish it off. So I know tomorrow you're all having examination. Let us not spend too much on today's class. I'll cover it as precise as possible. Yeah. So this notes I have already shared with you. So working with the PDF, I have a page. Okay, this is Jupyter page. This is a program given in the textbook. When you run this program, you will get deprecation error. So that means the PDF file reader is not there. That means this is not there. It is not working. So it is older version. So what we have done, we have modified the program. So in the textbook they have given 6-line program. We have modified that program to 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. In this, what we are trying to do is we are trying to open PyPDF. This is the module that is used for working with PDF files, and of course from here we are going to take the PDF reader. PDF reader is the method that is going to use for opening the PDF and reading the text from that. So what you are doing, you are using PDF reader. Meetingsminutes.pdf is the file. You are opening in read mode and binary, and this file is opened and it is stored in reader.page of 1. So it will display the first page contents. Pages of 0, first page, pages of 1, second page. So let me physically show this particular file. So this is there in desktop, the Python programs folder. It is there. So meetings.pdf, you can see this is the file. This is the first file, and this is the first page, and this is the second page. So name of the file is meetingsminutes.pdf. So we are trying to open the second page. This is reader.0, first page, reader of 1, reader.page of 1. 1 is nothing but the second page we are trying to open, and we are trying to open this page, and we are extracting the text in that page, and we are printing it. The same program I'm running here. So the same program I'm running here. As soon as I run this program, I'll get the same content. Louisiana State Board Elementary and Secondary Education. So March so and so. So the page contents. So the second page content. Second page content is the same thing. So you can see the same thing. So second page content. Following weeks. So assessment guides will be produced in the following weeks. Same thing is available here also. You can see it is available in the following weeks. So that is also there. That is there. So this is how. This is the 4-line program. In case in the examination, if they ask, write a program or how do you write Python program to read the contents of PDF file. So this is the 4-line program to read the contents. Suppose if I give page 0, so automatically what happens? It will display the page 0 contents. Page 0 contents very less. So it will read only the text because you are extracting only the text. It will read. So similarly, I can run page 2. So that means it will display the page 3 contents. So your index starts from 0. 0 means page 1. 1 is page 2. 2 is page 3. It is just like this. So that is all the definitions, all the explanation I have given in the notes. Next, you can decrypt the PDF. Next concept is decrypting the PDF. So decrypting is nothing but, suppose you take for example, there is a file called encrypted.pdf. So if you open this file, it will ask for the password. It will ask for the password. Once you give the password only, it will open. So let me try this file encrypted.pdf. So look at here, encrypt, yeah, encrypted.pdf. It will ask for the password. Unless you enter the password, it will not open. So when you give the when you encrypt any PDF file, automatically it is protected by password. So that is the concept. So you can see here, some PDF documents have an encryption feature that will be kept them from being read until whoever is opening the document provides a password. So if a document is protected by password, that is encrypted. So you have to decrypt that and then it has to open. So here in Pi PDF 2, so we are importing PDF reader. This is opening reading. PDF writer, it is for writing. Okay, anyhow. So we are just opening the file. So that is encrypted.pdf. So I have already said read binary is optional. If you don't give also, it will automatically by default, it will take read binary only and it will open the file reader. And if the reader is encrypted, yes, it's checking for whether it is the file is password protected or not. If it is password protected, you have to use one function. You have to use one method called decrypt. Decrypt by using the password. So the password given for that file is rosebud. So rosebud is the password I am just giving. Once I give the password, so it will open, and from the opened file I can certainly reader.page of one. I can extract the first page and you can display. Same thing, I just run here. You can see I'll just type rosebud, ROSEBUD, rosebud. It opens the same file. It opens. I have it is protected, and in this file I'm trying to extract page. I'm trying to extract page 1. That means second page. I'm trying to extract the second page. So that is the concept here. So I just second page is this one. So same, second page is this one. So this is password protected, that is encrypted. So now I try to execute this program. So automatically as I execute this program, you can see decrypting. It is again the same thing. Program have just run. So I'm just checking here. It is only one if statement. If it is encrypted, then you have to decrypt. Decrypt by providing the password. So by providing the password, you can certainly open the file. So, and once you open the file, you know how to read the contents of the file and you can extract. So this is the program, this is the procedure to decrypt the PDF files. And next is reading the file content and writing into another file. So here what we are doing, next concept. So first we understood how to read file, how to decrypt file. The third concept is reading a PDF file and also writing another new PDF file. So I'm having two files. So meeting minutes.pdf, meeting minutes2.pdf. So let me open both the files. So meetings.pdf and meeting minutes.pdf, meeting minutes 2.pdf. So if I open, so you can see the first file meetings minutes.pdf has 19 pages, and meeting minutes 2.pdf, the second file has 21 pages. So 19 and second file is 21 pages. Now these two files are there. I open these two files. I open PDF reader. I open these two files, and I call it as reader 1, reader 2, two files. I will have one more PDF writer. This is PDF writer. As soon as I create an object for PDF writer, a new PDF file is created, and writer PDF is a pointer, is a file pointer for new PDF. New file is created. Now, what you are doing, you are starting the for loop for page in reader 1 dot pages. That means you read all the pages, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 19. So it has got 19 pages. So it will read all 19 pages. 19 times the loops will the loop will run, and every time the writer object, that is new file that you have created, new file dot add page, the each page, whatever it is there in reader 1, that is the first file, gets added to the new PDF. New PDF is controlled through writer object. So all PDF pages of first file gets loaded into writer. It is a new PDF file. So similarly, you do the same thing for reader 2 dot pages, and here again all the pages are added. The second file pages are added to writer. So writer is now having 19 plus 21 pages. So 19 plus 21 pages. So altogether 40 pages are there. So now what do? You open a file combined minutes.pdf in write binary mode. So these files, minutes, meeting minutes 2.pdf, they are opened in read binary files. They are read, and their pages are stored in writer. And now with the help of open method, you are opening a binary file, and you are calling this file as f and writer.write. So writer is the PDF writer, and for that file dot write, just like you had a reader dot pages, just like that, write, it will write the contents to this particular file. So once you write all the contents to that file, what happens? The 19 plus 21 pages, 40 pages are written into combined meetings.pdf. Now I just run this program. Yes, as soon as I finished running, so you can see there is a file created, combined combined minutes.pdf. Combined minutes.pdf. You observe it is 19 plus 21, 40 pages file. So it is a 40 pages file, combination of first two files. So you can combine two files and you can write it into one single file. So many times in the examination they have asked this question. So program to read two files and combine them and store it into one single file. So this is the program. It's hardly 10-line code, so you can certainly execute it. Anyhow, this is also I have written in the notes, that is copying pages, and it is there, same program, it is there, you can try at home. And the same explanation I have given, 19 pages, 21 pages, now combined together it is 40 pages. So you will certainly, I think I have given the next overlaying pages. Overlaying in the sense overlapping and merging two files. This is very, very important. So for this, I just wanted to show you one simple example. there is a file called watermark. You can see I just opened the file watermark. So this is a watermark file. You can see in this watermark file, it is just only Dr. Rama Satish K V. It is only watermark contents are there. So just watermark contents are there. So this is a watermark file. And this file, watermark file, has to be merged, has to be overlaid or overlapped and merged with meetings.pdf. So it has to be merged with meetings.pdf, and finally the result of these two files merged, overlapping and merging, has to be stored in watermark result.pdf, watermark result.pdf file. So yes, as usual, you are reading the file, it is watermark.pdf, you are reading the file and it is stored in reader.page 0. It is only one file is there. Page 0 is stored in watermark page, WM page, it is there. Now you open a blank writer object. When you open blank writer object, so automatically what happens? New file, PDF file is created, and in reader 2, what you do, you read another file, that is meetings minutes.pdf, meeting minutes.pdf you read, and this is reader 2. So index in reader2.pdf. So what happens? So it will read through all the pages of meeting minutes.pdf, and for every page there is a function called merge page with watermark page, merge page with watermark page, it is merged. So this is very important line. This is very important line, index dot merge. So here each page is storing in index. So each page, that is index dot merge page, that is watermark page, and the page of the second file, that is meeting minutes.pdf, they are merged, and that merged page, that is index page, is added to writer. That is, writer is nothing but new file. So this loop is repeated. This loop is repeated for the number of pages. I think meeting minutes has 19 pages. So it will run for 19 pages, and every time it will merge with the watermark, and it will be stored in writer new file. It is stored in new file, and this writer, again, what you do once the loop is done, now you open the file, new file, open the binary mode, that is wm result.pdf in binary mode as a file pointer. Now writer.write, whatever the pages that you have stored in writer object, all those writer object files gets written into this file pointer. So as a result, the watermark is overlaid on meeting minutes.pdf, and it is stored as wm result. It is stored as wm result.pdf. So this is the content. That you can see. So as soon as I run this code, you can see I just run this code. It is there, overlays, the same program. Just run this code. So as soon as I run this code, so 19 pages, that's why star is still running. You can see it will run through all 19 pages, and finally you get the combined PDF, that is wm result.pdf file is, yeah, now see, it has overlaid all the pages, star, now it has become 5. So now wm result, you just try to open wm result. So you can see wm result, yes, it is here only. Just open WM results. You can see this page, the first page, Dr. Rama Satish added. For the second page, Dr. Rama Satish is added. For the third page, Dr. Rama Satish is added. For the fourth page, the watermark is added. Fifth page, watermark is added. Sixth page, watermark is added. Seventh page, watermark is added. Eighth page, ninth page, up to 19 pages, all the pages, watermark is added. You can see this is how overlaying you can certainly do it. Overlaying you can certainly do it. This is the next topic given in your syllabus. Now, overlaying is done. Writing of files are done. So now the same thing I have done. This is minutes meeting. This is a watermark file. And after a result, this is how it looks. So I have explained all those things. Now, encrypting PDF. There in the previous section, what we did, already there was an encrypted password protected file. That file we have opened by giving the password. Now we have to create our own file with our own password. So how to do that? Same thing. Very simple. Read the file, create a new writer object for all the pages. From the reader pages, you read all the pages and store it into writer.add page. Every page you store. Then writer.encrypt. Swordfish is the password that I am setting. Add the password for the new PDF file. Yeah, whatever the PDF password you want to set, you write it here. .encrypt to encrypt the file, and .decrypt to decrypt the file. That is to open the file. So here you can see I have encrypted the meeting minutes.pdf file with the password, that is swordfish is the password. And once it is written to the writer, now what you do, you open the file encrypted minutes.pdf in write binary and writer.write f. So when you write the file in the encrypted form, what happens? Along with this password, it is stored. So now let us look into the same encrypted program. I just run this program. You can see star, yes, it is done. Sixth one, it is done. Now encrypted minutes.pdf file is created, and you can see here encrypted.pdf file, yes, encrypted minutes.pdf. It is asking for the password to open. I just write swordfish. Yeah, now it got opened. You can see the same thing. It got opened. It got opened just like this. So you can encrypt any file like this. You can set the password for any PDF file like this using Python program. So even I can set a password for my notes files, which I am sending it as a PDF. Yes, you can do the same. You can certainly work on those contents, those experiments. So you can certainly do it. So this is the way to encrypt. But all these programs are not working from your textbook. I have altered these programs to make you understand how exactly the concepts are working. So that's the component. That's about the notes related to PDF. So PDF, we have seen how to encrypt the PDF, how to overlay the pages, how to read and write new pages, copy the contents pages from two different files to one file, or one file to another file. You can certainly copy. Creation of new files and decrypting the file and reading, extracting the files that is PDF files and reading the text we can do. This is about working with PDF. Now The next concept is about working with Word documents. So Word documents, as you know, MS Word, MS Word documents. So they are stored as a docx file extension. That's why uh, Python has uh, Python has a module called Python docx module. So if you want to install this, you can certainly type this in your system. Pip install Python docx. You have to give this command so that it opens. Uh, it downloads and prepares the module ready. So once the module is installed, you can start working. So take for example, a new paragraph. So in a Word, actually the entire file is treated as uh, document as one object. And in one object, you can certainly have many paragraphs. And for in each paragraph, you have many runs. Sir, what is a run? Paragraph we know. What is run object? So, what is run object? Run object is nothing but. So, look at here. In a paragraph, I have one line like this. So, this is a plain text. This is one run. If the font is changed or the style is changed, it becomes another run object. This is bold, and this is normal text. Again, one run object, and this is in italics, another run object. So in one paragraph, if everything is in the same style, so everything will be in one object. If you have any variation in the style, variation in the font, variation in the font size, font color, font style, so automatically new run objects are created. So you can see in one line itself you will see 4 run objects. This is plain text, one run object, bold, another run object, again plain text, another run object, and italics, again another run object. So 4 run objects are there. So your entire document is divided into document object, paragraph object, and run object. You can see uh, document object, which controls the entire document, paragraph object, it contains list of paragraphs, and in each paragraph, if you have different styles, so for every style you have one run object. So this is how the entire document is prepared. Entire document is prepared. So entire document is recognized. Now, what I do, I have a document called a document. So it is there in my program, demo document. I just opened demo document. Yes, demo document. You can just see it is here. Demo document. It has a document title. This is one paragraph. This is another paragraph. This is another third paragraph, fourth paragraph, fifth paragraph, sixth paragraph. There are 6 paragraphs are available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paragraphs are available. Yes. Now I import docx.document, and I open demo.docx. So docx.document, when I use this method, automatically what happens, the document get opened and it is stored in an object called doc. Now I can just print doc.paragraphs, so it will print the how many paragraphs are there. Same docx.paragraphs of 0.text. So first paragraph text is displayed. Paragraph 1.text, second paragraph text is displayed. And in the first paragraph, that is, sorry, in the second paragraph, how many runs are there if you want to print? So you can print. So look at the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, 1, 2, 3, and 4 runs are there. So 4 runs it will display. 4 runs. And I want to display each run object text. Yes, certainly. I put a for loop for I in the range length of runs and print each run dot text. Each run dot text, it will display the contents. So this particular set of lines will display how many paragraphs are there, how many runs are there in second paragraph, and second paragraph lines. What are all the second paragraph lines that are there? So you can certainly see that here. So reading the Word document, you can see as soon as I run this code, so it will say there are 7 paragraphs. So first paragraph is document title, second paragraph is so and so, and there are five run objects. What are the 5 run objects? This is one run object, run 0, run 1, run 2, run 3, run 4. That means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 run objects are there. Yes, it will display all 5 run objects. So this is how you can certainly consider. You can certainly consider. So the output for this particular reading that Word document file. Next. Next concept is getting the full text from a doc file. So you open any document file, you read all the contents of the document file, and you can display. So that is the concept here. So what I do, I just create a file, create a function called getText function. For this function, I just pass the file name. So this file name, whatever I pass here, it will be opened here using docx.document. It will open the file. Full text is equal to null. So para is equal to doc.paragraphs, first paragraphs. So for every paragraph, what you do, you read the contents, paragraph, you append to the full text and append to the full text. Every paragraph contents you read and put it in full text, put it in full text, full text. Full text is a list, so it contains all the paragraphs as list elements. So for every paragraph, after each paragraph, you add new line. So new line dot join all the contents of the full text, that is paragraph, each paragraph, and it will be returned. And that returning value, you are just printing it. So what happens? The contents, what it is there in the demo.docx file, this demo.docx file, so contents are displayed, each paragraphs are read, and after each paragraph new line is printed, and that will be displayed. So that is the program code here. You can certainly run this code. You can see it here. So we are running this code, and once we run this code, we get, so document text is the first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph, fifth paragraph, sixth paragraph. Yes, it is displaying all the paragraphs, and one blank line also, one blank line. That is why it is showing 7th paragraph. So it is 7th paragraph is also displayed. So this is just like this. It is just like this. It is displaying all the contents of the paragraphs are displayed. So that's about handling the Word file. So apart from this, you can also work on the styles. So certainly when you see any paragraph, suppose if I keep my cursor here in a Word file, you can see this is in normal. I want no space. I want a heading. I want header 2. I want header 3, header 4. These are all styles. You can see these are all, so many styles are there. You can apply the styles. So this is called style. You can see here it is styles. So styles. So now I just open one Word file and I want to know what style it is, and I can also change. So you can certainly change, and each run attribute I can change, I can know what is, whether it is bold or italics or underline or a strike, a double strike, all caps, all small, shadow, outline. So right to left, imprint, so and emboss, that is bold font. So like I want to get the styles, I can change the styles, I can get the style. So I open the same document, so demo.doc. Now I just say what is the style of paragraph 1. So this is the paragraph 1 text, and this paragraph 1 text dot style, what style it belongs to. So I think if I open this, I click here, the style is title style. You can see there it is in title style. So when I run this code in my program, look at here, when I run these 3 lines, so it will display, it is, the contents is document title, and it is in title style. Paragraph style is equal to title, it is displaying. So that style, I'm changing it to normal. That style, earlier it was in uh, title style, I change it to normal style. So normal style is available, I change it to normal style. Now after that you just display, so normal style, yes, it is displayed, you can see this normal style. I can display the normal style, yes. After changing, I can display, I can change the style. I can change the style. It is like this. So I can certainly change the style, I can display. Now, so this is the title style, and I can change it to normal style. So I can change like that. Similarly, I can also take a paragraph dot 0, run 1, run 2, run 3, run 4, all the first paragraph contents I can print. Now, first paragraph run dot 0 dot style is equal to quote character. I can change the style. Underline is equal to true. Underline is equal to true, and the third run is nothing but third style. So first run is underline is equal to true. For the 0 first run, you are making it as quote character. For the second run, you are making underline is equal to true. For the second one, you are not changing. For the third underline style, you are making it as true. And entire thing, whatever you are changing in doc object, the doc object dot save, you write it as restyled dot doc. So initially you read demo dot docx, displayed the style, changed the style to normal, and changed the paragraph 1 dot runs. So many runs are there. In that runs styles also you have changed, and their underline you have made it true, and later finally once the object is done, you are saving that object into restyled dot object. So now what I do, I just run this code. So I just run this code. So once, sorry, I just run this code first, the first code, and second here. So as soon as I run this code, automatically what happens, restyled dot docx is created. You can see restyled dot docx, it is available here. So I just open this, so you can see, yes, done. So it is made as normal text. So it is made as normal text. So look at here, earlier it was in title style, now it is in normal style. You observe here the first paragraph, and in second paragraph, so you can see it is changed to that is the quote text. So quote style you can see here, it is in quote style. You can see the square bracket indicates it is in quote style. So it is in quote style, and this is the next run. Next run is becoming underline. This is third. You are not changing run of, this is run of 0, run of 1, run of 2 you are not changing, run of 3 you are making it underline again. So like this, and you have saved this file as a restyled.docx. So you are changing the styles to restyled.docx. And after this, you can also write the contents of one document. You are writing a new document, you can create a new document and you can write. So like this, I want to write one hello world into a new file. So certainly I can write. So I'm opening a docx. So document.document, docx.document. I'm not giving any file. If I give the file, that file is opened. I don't give any file, so blank file is opened, and I write doc.add paragraph hello doc, just hello world. I'm just writing, and I'm also writing doc.add paragraph, one more paragraph, second paragraph, one more. I'll write yet another paragraph, and for the second paragraph itself, so you can see object one, para object one. I'm writing add run. I'm adding one more additional run. This text being added to the second paragraph. So hello world is the first paragraph. Second paragraph is the content. For second paragraph, you are adding one more line, and in the third paragraph, you have yet another paragraph. So this entire thing you can write it into multiple para.docx. So you can certainly run this multiple para. So you can see when you run the previous program, this program, it will write only hello world.docx. It will display only docx. So as I run hello world.docx, hello world. So you can see hello world.docx, only hello world is written. Only hello world is written. Hello world is written, and hello world is written, and the multiple pages, you can see this multiple pages, you can multiple paragraphs, you can certainly write it here. So you can certainly write it here. So that's the concept. You can run this code. As soon as I run, multiple paragraphs.docx is created. I can certainly go and check multiple paragraph.docx. So you can see this is hello world is the first, second paragraph is written, then yet another, and again I run another. So with the second paragraph, I'm adding some contents. So this is multiple paragraphs. So I can certainly run multiple paragraphs like this. Certainly I can run multiple paragraphs like this. Now, apart from this, apart from this, I can also add various headings. Heading 0, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but they are heading sizes, various sizes. So header 0 is the text is being added to the document, new document, and it is in the 0 heading. Next, heading 1, it is 1 heading. 0, 2, 2 heading. Header 3, third heading. Header 4, fourth heading. You write all these headings and add headings, and you write headings.doc. So once you run this code, headings.doc, you get headings file. You can see a headings.doc file. When you open headings, this is headings 0, headings 1, headings 2, headings 3, headings 4. So you can see all these different headings are available. So same thing, you can see heading 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can certainly get headings like this. You can certainly get headings like this. Similarly, you can add line breaks. You can also add page breaks. So for adding page break, it's very simple. So you write first paragraph, add first paragraph, and certainly after first paragraph you add one break. Run 0 dot add break document enum dot text dot wd word document break dot page. So stop, you apply the page break. That means the next paragraph will be printed in the second page. So this paragraph, so after printing the first paragraph, there is a page break. That means page will be ended there. Now, this content, that is this is on the second page. So that will be printed in the second page, that is in the next page. So, and the entire document is stored as two-page document, two-page .docx. So you can certainly see two-page .docx is created, two-page .docx. So yeah, you can certainly see when I run this code. This is in the first page. This is on first page, and as soon as I move to the second page, you can see this is on the second page. You can see that this is on first page, this is on second page. So two pages contents, I can certainly write it. Two-page contents, I can certainly write it. So this is adding multiple pages, two pages and two paragraphs with so similarly I can add pictures to the document. Very simple. If you want to add pictures to the document, very simple. You open a blank file and later you add picture, add picture, you give the name of the picture and you specify what is the width. What is the width? That is docx.share. Width in inches, 4 inch. Height, you can also specify either in inch or in some centimeters. You can certainly specify centimeters, 16 centimeters. So width is 4 inch, height is 16 centimeters. This picture will be printed on the doc, and this doc.save pic.docx. So when you run this, you get a picture in the document file and it is called pic.docx. So anyhow, that program is already run. So pic.docx, it is here. So you can see the same. Yes, it is 4 inch width and 12 inch. 16 inch height. So you can certainly it is displaying. It is 14 is converted into inches, means it becomes 6.3. So this is the document. This is the document. You can see the height, and so this entire thing you have written in pic.docx. So this is how you can write pictures into the docx. So that's all for today's class. So, and in tomorrow's class, or next week, I'll announce next week by after discussing with your CR and other friends. I'll find out the convenient time, and I'll cover this next, working with CSV files and JSON data. So with this, I come to an end of today's class. If anybody has any doubts, any questions, you can raise, or else thank you.